When a threading job demands heavy-duty power in a lightweight, compact tool, Reed power drives are the only choice. Choose the 601 PD power drive for smaller diameter pipe, ranging from 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch. The 601 PD power drive uses R11 enclosed drop heads. Use the easy-to-operate 701 PD power drive to thread pipe ranging from 1/8 inch to 2 inches. If the job calls for pipe threading or pipe tapping, then the half-horsepower 700 PD power drive is the tool for you. The 700 PD power drive double-insulated threading tool turns at 28 RPM, threads pipe up to 2 inches in diameter, and completes the job in far less time than a manual threader. The 700 PD power drive uses Reed R12 Plus segmental dies and drop heads to power tap or drill. We will now demonstrate the threading procedure using a Reed 700 PD power drive. Prior to operating any Reed equipment, carefully read the instructions and always wear the appropriate safety equipment. If replacing parts or adding accessories, refer to the Reed catalog for proper selection. Begin by selecting the proper drop head for the task being performed. Once the drop head size has been selected, push the small end squarely into the power drive opening until the spring-loaded adapter pawls catch securely. Installation can be on either side of the face gear. Now, secure the pipe in a portable tri-stand vise or bench vise. Be sure that there is at least 6 inches of exposed pipe on the end being modified. Position the 700V support vise between 4 inches and 7 inches from the end of the pipe, so the guide bar is 1 inch to 4 inches beyond the end of the pipe. It is important to note that the supplied 700V support should always be used during threading. When threading 1 1/2 inch to 2 inch pipe, it is recommended that you place the vise 4 inches from the end of the pipe for firmest control of higher torque. Continue by placing the die head over the end of the pipe, making sure the power drive is correctly positioned under the support arm. Liberally lubricate the general area to be threaded with thread guard cutting oil. For right-hand threads, the die should rotate clockwise when looking at the face of the drop head. Now, simultaneously activate the switch and exert pressure against the die head with the palm of your hand. Palming the die head will ensure that the thread is started. Apply oil to the area being threaded to keep die head segments cool and free of chip buildup. Keep the switch button depressed until the end of the pipe is flush with the edge of the die segments. Then release the switch button. After completion of the thread, and after the motor has completely stopped, activate the switch on the reverse selection. Hold on to the power drive handle firmly to resist the initial torque while backing off the die head. When the drive clears the end of the pipe, grip the handle on the top of the power drive and remove from the pipe. Release and remove the support vise. After threading is complete, clean any debris off of the 700 PD power drive and properly store for future use. Please refer to your operator's manual for reference on the use of this tool and the R12 Plus drop heads and segmental dies.